Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're creating a refreshing fruit salad at our local farmer's market. I've got 12 different fruits to create a rainbow of flavors and colors. Now, let's get chopping and dicking. We have strawberries, pineapple, melon, kiwi, mango, banana, cherries a local specialty, grapes, blueberries, raspberries, apples, and oranges. Let's mix it all up in this bowl. We're even adding some fancy sugar flakes for that extra crunch. Here's the finished product, a beautiful fruit salad with a variety of textures and tastes. It even resembles sushi with all those colors. I just can't resist getting some on my fork. This is so good I could eat it all up in one gulp, but let's not do that just yet. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to follow us for more joyous recipes. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty content. Until next time, keep cooking and smile on.